Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investwink Advisors. I'm sure you all would have seen the teaser released on the March month performance review. If not, this is the video you should surely watch. With the start of New Year 2021, we started series of videos that gives a glimpse of the trading strategies we deploy, and outcome of the same is reviewed each month as performance check. So, in the month of March, we traded mostly in Bank Nifty options. And let me tell you, this was the very tough month for option sellers as Bank Nifty consolidated with broader swings, which had been very difficult to manage positions. Yet, we were able to make 10 lakhs profit for the month. Now, speaking on the strategy, we deployed only strangles and straddles each weekly expiry and throughout the month. But the best part of it was we were very closely following the price action to make necessary adjustments as and when needed, which had resulted in maximizing the profit. The another very important aspect which we would like to bring to the table is money management and position sizing. These will save you when market makes unexpected swings. For better clarity, let's quickly go through the chart. The green line that you see is marked as resistance and red line being support for the month. The dashed lines are weekly expiry series days for the month of March. As I mentioned earlier, Bank Nifty consolidated the entire month in the range of 4,000 points, which is roughly 8 to 10% swing. For better understanding, I have split the entire month in each weekly expiry. Let's discuss one by one. Bank Nifty started March series with bearish view and the entire month continued with same trend. In first week, we sold far out of the money options covering 2000 points from 34,800 call option to 36,700 call option. However, as VIX was high, the premiums were lucrative, and with small movements, we made adjustments with deploying put options in every 200 point range. This had led to a awesome profit of 4.5 lakhs for the week. Moving to second week, the VIX had fallen, so the premiums had fallen too. We expected wild swings, but Bank Nifty moved just 1000 point range. But it recovered from the lows, so the positions we took were small in size, and so the profit was just 1 lakh for the week. Now, in the third week, we expected Bank Nifty to be range bound, and accordingly we had taken positions with 1200 point range. But each day in the entire week, markets kept falling. Though we made good profit on call options and Bank Nifty had shown some sign of recovery on the expiry day, but towards 2 p.m. there was selling pressure, due to which we could not make adjustments as the premiums were low and ended in loss with 71k. But the lesson here is when you lose, it should be small, and when you gain, it should be big. Now, again in fourth week, markets continued downtrend trajectory, for which we were already prepared and had taken positions accordingly. We sold options with 2000 point range, having positions in every 200 strike points, and hence there were many positions that we had held on each of the strikes, giving us a decent profit of 1.95 lakh. Now, coming to last week of March, though the series expiry was falling on April 1st, which comes in new financial year. Still, we took positions and had taken into account in March series itself. Bank Nifty had touched the support zone on 25th March and revived from there. Hence, the expectation was to close higher from the support zones. So we had taken positions in 3000 point range in both call and put options, making the necessary adjustments along the movement of the market. We were able to make handsome returns of 3.5 lakhs for the week. Though Bank Nifty moved downward with 4000 point range for the entire month, still we were able to make 10 lakhs profit out of it. This is the beauty of trading in derivatives. And it was all possible because we do not focus on target ranges and movements, rather take positions based on price action. With this, we come to an end with the performance review for March month. To get regular market updates, kindly follow Investwing Advisors on Twitter, Who, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked, do share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.